Welcome to Auto Car Line. The Mazda RX7 is one of those legendary sports cars that still turns heads and ignites excitement decades after its debut. This Japanese masterpiece became famous for its unique rotary engine, sleek styling, and incredible handling characteristics. Produced by Mazda from 1978 to 2002, the RX7 went through three distinct generations, each improving performance, technology, and design while staying true to its driver-focused spirit. The very heart of the RX7 is its rotary engine, also known as the Wankel engine. Unlike conventional piston engines, the rotary engine uses a spinning rotor to create combustion. This design allows the engine to be compact, lightweight, and capable of reaching high revs, delivering smooth power and a thrilling driving experience. The most iconic version, the 13B Ru twin-turbo rotary, found in the third-generation FD RX7, produced around 255 horsepower in stock form with incredible tuning potential that has made it a favorite among car enthusiasts and racers around the globe. The RX7 has always been about balance. It combined lightweight construction, rear-wheel drive, and a perfect 50-50 weight distribution to deliver exceptional handling whether on tight mountain roads or a racing circuit. The FD RX7 in particular was celebrated for its sharp steering, precise chassis, and aerodynamic curves. Its low-slung body with pop-up headlights, aggressive lines, and a flowing silhouette made it instantly recognizable and timeless. Beyond performance, the RX7 has earned its place in pop culture, especially in movies, anime, and the video game world. The Fast and Furious franchise showcased it as a street racing icon, while fans of Initial D remember Keisuke Takahashi's yellow FD dominating the mountain passes. These appearances boosted the RX7's fame and made it a dream car for generations of enthusiasts. The interior of the RX7 was designed with the driver in mind. The cockpit was tight and sporty with clear gauges, supportive bucket seats, and controls positioned for quick access. While not the most luxurious, it was purely functional, reinforcing the car's purpose as a focused sports machine. Owning an RX7, however, came with responsibility. The rotary engine, while exciting, required more maintenance than typical piston engines. It was sensitive to overheating and needed frequent oil checks and proper warm-up before spirited driving, but for those who cared for it, the reward was unmatched driving pleasure. Over the years, tuners around the world have pushed the RX7 to extreme limits thanks to the rotary engine's ability to handle high boost levels. Modified RX7s with 400,000, 500, or even 1,000 horsepower are not uncommon. The chassis and suspension respond well to upgrades, making it a perfect platform for drifting, time attack, or drag racing. Some owners swap the rotary for piston engines like the LSV8 for reliability and massive power, though purists often prefer to keep the unique rotary heart alive. Today, the Mazda RX